Will APECOIN reach $20? APECOIN value expectation for the finish of 2022 is $7 in the event that APECOIN acquires 10% per month from now. For APECOIN to reach $20 in 2022, it should acquire half a month from now. The APECOIN forecast toward the finish of 2030 is $39, assuming Chimp figures out how to acquire 30% consistently from now. APECOIN value forecast 2022 is $8.26 total cost, and the ongoing standpoint is somewhat sure. The ongoing specialized proposal is purchase. APECOIN value forecast. APECOIN was sent off with an initial worth of $1. Its untouched high worth was $39.40. Presently, APECOIN is exchanging underneath $10. APECOIN value expectation 2025 is $26.40. APECOIN value expectation 2030 is $136.16. The most extreme, APECOIN value expectation 2022 is $13.68. Be that as it may, APECOIN can hit this cost provided that it acquires 30% per month from now. The base APECOIN value forecast 2022 is $5.82, yet APECOIN should rise 5% per month to contact this cost. On the off chance that it neglects to acquire 5% per month, the cost of APECOIN could be underneath $5 toward the finish of 2022. In the event that APECOIN adds 30% to its worth consistently from now, APECOIN value forecast 2030 is $39.07, and in the event that APECOIN acquires just 5% every year from now, APECOIN value expectation 2030 is $7.07. The greatest APECOIN value forecast 2040 is $538, yet to contact this value, Chimp should acquire at least 30% per year from now. In the event that Chimp acquires just 5% per year from now, APECOIN value expectation 2040 is $11.52. Is APECOIN a wise venture? For any digital money to be a wise venture, it relies for the most part upon the financial backers themselves. In the event that a financial backer is searching for an easy gain, APECOIN can be a wise venture when the costs of APECOIN is flooding. A client can get a few APECOIN, create a fast gain and leave the market. Be that as it may, for the ones who love to play long-haul games, APECOIN can be a wise speculation just when they buy APECOIN when the cost of APECOIN drops and afterward clutch it until there's a significant increase. In this manner, to procure a major benefit, one necessitates to clutch their venture for a more drawn-out time frame. Will Chimp coin go up? Indeed, most gauges foresee that Primate coin will go up 1. As digital currencies recuperate in the not-so-distant future, Chimp coin will likewise profit from the recuperation too. As Yuga Labs expands its presence in the metaverse space, with speculations arranged and a few executions having started, the interest for Primate coins will increment, fueling the cost of the cryptographic money 3. As a result, Gorilla coin is estimated to rise 30.5 before the current year's over dangers. Cryptographic money falls again because of monetary downturn. There is a moderate chance as of now. The digital currency market is additionally presented to fundamental gamble like other cryptographic forms of money or organizations in this area falling flat. Ultimately, postpones and execution by Yuga Labs could prompt lower interest for Chimp coins, affecting its cost for the time being while perhaps not in the medium and long haul. Will APECOIN reach $20? What is APECOIN and how can it determine its worth? APECOIN is an exhausted Primate Yacht Club partnered digital money in light of the ERC20 blockchain. APECOIN carries a much anticipated administration viewpoint to the Primate environment. In addition to other things, APECOIN addresses an administration token, all in all, casting a ballot rights, giving APECOIN holders a say in the undertaking's turn of events and significant choices. As a method for showing appreciation to its ongoing local area, APECOIN chose to devote a part of its save to exhausted gorillas or freak chimps NFT holders, remunerating them with free airdrops. How much the airdrop relied upon the NFT's unique case as well as the quantity of NFTs held by the individual. Here are a few realities about APECOIN. APE establishment sent off the Chimp coin. primate establishment guarantees that Chimpcoin will be driven by the local area with the job of the establishment as a steward and not a manager. The APECOIN DAO will oversee the local area. APECOIN, like numerous other digital forms of money, is an ERC20 token gave on the Ethereum blockchain. About 15% of flowing chimp coins have been airdropped to current Bake and Make NFT holders. APECOIN is probably going to be utilized as a play to procure cash from now on. It is normal that as Yuga Labs reinforce its situation in the metaverse space, APECOIN will see an ascent popular for its digital currencies. APECOIN is at present positioned 35th on market cap with almost 300 million available for use. APECOIN arrived at its unsurpassed high of $39 somewhat recently of April and arrived at its absolute bottom in the year on June 19, 2022. APECOIN rose 40% from its base in something like 7 days. It is additionally conceivable to acquire interest by marking Gorilla. Will APECOIN reach $20? Could you at any point stake APECOIN? Indeed, there is a strategy for marking APECOIN. Empire, a decentralized metaverse, GameFi, and NFT venture association has presented a marking pool for APECOIN. By enlisting yourself with Empire, you will actually want to stake APECOIN. Will APECOIN reach $20? How might I procure APECOIN? One of the most straightforward ways of acquiring APECOIN is by enlisting yourself with the Authority APECOIN stage. When you register, you will have a participation pass. The enrollment pass allows players to procure APECOIN tokens by playing a versatile game. How might I get a free APECOIN? The MetaVail wallet client has the office of procuring APECOIN for nothing. To get free APECOIN utilizing MetaMask wallet, here are the moves toward be followed. 1. Visit the APECOIN airdrop guarantee page. 2. Connect your MetaMask wallet. 3. If you're qualified, then you will actually want to guarantee free Gorilla tokens. 4. Users who own exhausted chimp or free Gorilla NFTs are qualified to guarantee the airdrop. Is Gorilla Coin on Robinhood? At present, APECOIN isn't on Robinhood. Nonetheless, after Robinhood added Shiba Inu, bits of gossip about APECOIN were being added to the Robinhood trade. In any case, until now, APECOIN isn't added for trade on Robinhood. Who is behind APECOIN? The underlying board comprises of 5 prominent crypto financial backers: Reddit Prime supporter Alexis Ohanian, Amy Wu, who drives the crypto trade FTX's Endeavor arm, Maria Bajwa, of Sound Endeavors, Animoca Brands Yacht SIU, and senior member Steinbeck of Skyline Labs. Where might I at any point store APECOIN? APECOIN is right now an Ethereum ERC20 token.